This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You pick up this process now. Don't engage with scam scripts. If a suspicious number rings, let it go to voicemail or answer with a neutral phrase to buy time. Once you have the number, note call time and any recorded audio. That evidence helps later. Next, add the number to your phone's block list and turn on Do Not Disturb for unknown callers. Doing these first actions reduces the chance they call back and creates a paper trail for escalation. Once initial blocks are set, escalate by reporting. Contact your phone carrier and request network-level blocking or a trace. Carriers can sometimes flag repeat abusers. Make a report to the National Do Not Call Registry and to the Consumer Protection Agency so regulators can track patterns. Meanwhile, install a reputable call blocking app that uses community feedback and spam databases. Make sure it has automatic blocking and frequent updates. These middle steps remove repeat offenders and reduce future risk by leveraging institutional. To finish, secure anything the scammer might use. Change passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and review recent transactions. Once done, continue monitoring voicemail and bank alerts for irregularities. If calls persist despite blocking and reporting, contact your carrier to request a number change or ask about advanced call filter hardware for your home line. If problems continue, escalate to local law enforcement with your documented call log. Having that evidence makes investigations faster and more likely to succeed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.